Hey everyone, welcome back to Technify. Today we're diving into something that's sparking a lot of excitement in the camera world. DJI looks ready to make a bold entrance into the 360 degrees camera space. Rumors are swirling about the upcoming DJI Osmo 360, and if the early leaks are true, this could be a major shift in immersive video capture. We all know DJI as a powerhouse in drones and action cameras, but now they're aiming for territory currently ruled by brands like Insta360 and Ricoh. The Osmo 360 is rumored to pack everything DJI does well: advanced stabilization, intelligent shooting modes, and sleek design, while stepping into the world of spherical content. If you're a vlogger, content creator, or just someone who's always chasing the latest in camera tech, this one's for you. Stick around as we break down all the leaked features and why this camera could change the game. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss the latest from Technify. The DJI Osmo 360 could mark DJI's official launch into the fully immersive 360 degrees camera market. And from what's been surfacing, it might be a strong contender from day one. With demand growing for VR content, interactive experiences, and immersive tours, DJI's timing couldn't be better. Leaked images suggest a compact, travel-friendly body that echoes the design cues of the Osmo Pocket and Action series. It's expected to be comfortable to hold and built tough, possibly with weather resistance for those who shoot outdoors often. One of the standout features is its dual-lens setup. Reports say it will use ultra-wide-angle lenses on both sides to capture seamless 360 degrees video and photos. Early whispers mention recording options like 8K at 30 frames per second and 5.7K at 60 frames per second, which, if true, puts it in direct competition with the best in the market. Plus, with an f/2.0 aperture, low-light shooting should be solid, making it suitable for sunset scenes or indoor environments. As expected from DJI, stabilization will likely be a big focus. Rumors hint at a hybrid system combining built-in gyros and smart digital correction, which means whether you're walking, biking, or running, the footage stays smooth and shake-free. When it comes to smart features, the Osmo 360 might go a step further than most. Imagine 360 degrees subject tracking. Lock onto a subject and let the camera follow them across the entire spherical field of view. It's also likely to include time-lapse, hyperlapse, and motion-lapse modes, giving creators a lot of creative flexibility. Another rumored highlight is reframing. You'd be able to shoot in full 360 degrees and later choose which angle to show. That's a huge bonus when you can't plan every shot ahead. Just record everything and edit your framing later. Battery performance seems promising too. Leaks suggest it could run for around 2.5 hours, which is impressive for a 360 degrees camera. With USB-C fast charging likely on board, you'll spend less time waiting and more time filming. On the software side, expect DJI to roll out a fresh version of its Mimo app, possibly updated just for this device. Features like auto-stitching, easy reframing, color tuning, and even potential support for 360 degrees live streaming in full 4K are all being discussed. That would be a dream come true for vloggers and event streamers. If all these features turn out to be accurate, the DJI Osmo 360 won't just be another entry. It might raise the bar for what's expected in consumer 360 degrees cameras. And that wraps up our look at the rumored DJI Osmo 360. From potential 8K immersive video to intelligent subject tracking and DJI's signature stabilization, this device could be a major leap forward for creators everywhere. Its portable design, powerful features, and smart software tools suggest DJI's not here to play catch-up, they're here to lead. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just getting into 360 degrees content, this camera is definitely worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for tuning in to Technify. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think DJI has what it takes to take over the 360 degrees space? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest gear reviews and camera tech. Until next time, stay curious, keep creating, and keep exploring with Technify. See you in the next one.